If you are looking for the best clutch for NV5600, you have come to the right place. In this article, we will take a look at 5 of the best clutch kits for NV5600. We will also provide a buyer's guide to help you choose the best clutch kit for your needs. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect clutch for NV5600 for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the South Bend Clutch G56 OFX single disc. If you're looking for an upgrade over the stock clutch in your Dodge Cummins diesel truck, the South Bend G56 OFX is a great option. This Stage 2 clutch is rated for a maximum of 475 horsepower and 1,000 pounds-foot of torque and can tow up to 25 kg. It's a half organic and half ceramic clutch, so it's slightly different in construction than the Stage 1 replacement, South Bend G56 OKHD. The South Bend G56 OFX comes with a throwout bearing, flywheel, and other relevant mounting hardware and is compatible with Dodge Cummins diesel trucks model years 2005 to 2009. As with any aftermarket part, be sure to check the seller's warranty policy, as warranties purchased through Amazon may be invalid if the product is advertised for less than the minimum price. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the South Bend Clutch G56 OKHD Clutch Kit. The South Bend Organic Clutch Kit is a popular choice for Dodge Ram owners looking to replace their truck's original clutch. The kit is compatible with Cummins engine Dodge Ram trucks from the 2005 to 2009 model years and includes a throwout bearing and 13-inch diameter disc. The South Bend Clutch Kit is rated for a maximum of 425 horsepower and 900 pounds-foot of torque and has a maximum towing capacity of 20 kg. Customers who have used the South Bend clutch for Dodge Cummins report that the clutch action is smooth, although slightly stiffer than the original clutch. Overall, the South Bend Clutch Kit is a good choice for those looking for a replacement clutch for their Dodge Ram truck. When purchasing the South Bend Clutch Kit, be sure to write to the seller to confirm compatibility and warranty information. At number 3 on our list, we have the Valair Performance G56 Spring Hub Dual Disc Clutch. Valair is a brand that is well known amongst truck enthusiasts for their high-performance parts. The Valair Performance G56 Spring Hub Dual Disc Clutch is made for usage with high-powered trucks. The ceramic clutch is rated to handle up to 650 horsepower. This particular clutch is a dual-disc clutch made for 2005.5-2011 Dodge Cummins trucks, which covers both 5.9-liter models and the 6.7. Valair Performance notes that the clutch is suitable for those looking to use their truck for daily driving as well as towing. The kit includes the hardware, hydraulics, and the flywheel, but it is always best to check with the seller to confirm what is included in the kit. When you are speaking with the seller, be sure to inquire about the warranty since the Amazon listing does not include any information on that. This is a clutch made to handle a lot of power, and the main downside to that is it's not noise-free. At number 4 on our list, we have the Valair QG56 DDSN ORG Quiet Street Dual Disc Clutch. The Valair Quiet Street Dual Disc Clutch is a less noisy alternative to the previously mentioned Valair. It's made for those who have a stock or lightly modified truck and their drive routines include a lot of towing. The clutch offers smooth engagement and doesn't have the rattle coming in from the truck's floater plate. But Valair also mentions that the gear rollover noise will still be present. The clutch can handle up to 550 horsepower, comes with organic facings and the required hardware. The kit also includes a flywheel and is compatible with 2005-2017 Dodge Cummins trucks. The dual-disc clutch kit is a great way of enjoying the additional performance, but keep in mind that the pedal pressure will be slightly more than the stock unit. And finally, at number 5 on our list, we have the South Bend Clutch SDD3256 Clutch Kit. South Bend Clutch Kit Stage 4. The South Bend Stage 4 Clutch Kit is a great choice for those looking for a high-performance clutch that can handle a lot of power and torque. It is rated to handle up to 650 horsepower and 1,300 pounds-foot of torque and is able to tow 30 kg plus. The kit includes the required hardware and other essentials, making it a great choice for those with compatible Dodge Ram models 2000-2005. While the clutch does have some noise and doesn't make shifts quicker, it is still a great choice for those looking for a high-performance option. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.